Hello po, ako nga pala si Princess, isang OFW at isang content creator dito sa Czech Republic. Gutom ka? Parehas tayo. Ayaw mong naghihintay? Parehas ulit tayo. And that's exactly why nauso ang running sushi. And one of the most popular spot for this is in Brno, Sakura's Running Sushi sa Vankovka. Wait, hindi po ito sponsored ha. Instead na mag-order ka isa-isa, dito uupo ka lang. Tapos yung pagkain, kusa siyang lalapit sa'yo. Literal na umiikot sa harap mo. Sushi, maki, tempura, even desserts. Mapipigilan mo bang kumain? Syempre hindi. Worth it ba? Yes, sobrang sarap. Okay, let's talk about the experience. Pagdating mo pa lang, mapapansin mo agad yung conveyor belt na punong-puno ng pagkain. And the best part, hindi ka pressured mag-decide agad. Pwede ka lang maghintay hanggang makita mo yung plate na gusto mo. Alam mo guys, minsan hindi masama ang i-treat mo ang sarili mo. Hindi porket OFW tayo, hindi na tayo pwede mag-enjoy. And hindi lang siya about sa pagkain. It's also about the experience. Alam mo yun, parang may mini game ka habang kumakain. You're scanning the belt, waiting for your next target. Uy, salmon. Uy, tempura. Uy, dessert na naman. Tapos, di mo napapansin, ang dami mo na palang nakain. Now, let's be real. Worth it ba siya? Price range niya is around 400 to 500 koruna. Usually, may time limit like 90 minutes. So, kung hindi ka masyadong malakas kumain, baka hindi mo ma-maximize. Pero kung gutom ka talaga, sulit na sulit. In terms of food quality, I'd say it's good for its price. Hindi siya super premium sushi, pero decent siya and consistent yung options. Plus, may variety ka pa. Hindi lang siya puro sushi. So, kahit may kasama kang hindi mahilig sa raw food, may makakain pa rin siya. They also offer a solo order or yung mga special order na sa menu nila yon. And of course, may sake sila, hindi namin pinalagpas yan. Tinikman talaga namin yan, di ba? Ito lang masasabi ko dyan. Kung hindi ka niya kayang ipaglaban, pues ito ipaglalabang ka niya hanggang mapunta ka sa CR. Another thing I like about it, perfect siya for social hangouts. Hindi awkward kasi hindi ka naghihintay ng pagkain. Everything is already there. So more time to talk, laugh, and kain lang kayo ng kain. Kuha, kain, like that. Pero quick tip lang, if you want fresher sushi, go during peak hours. Kasi mas mabilis yung ikot ng pagkain. So mas fresh yung makukuha mo. So overall, if you're in Brno and gusto mo ng something fun, casual, and sulit na food experience, running sushi is definitely worth trying. And Sakura's is one of the go-to spots for that. Final verdict, come hungry, bring friends, and enjoy eating foods. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye!